वेलकम टू चार्ट ट्रेडर्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में इंडिया विक्स, मैक्स पेन और पुट कॉल रेशियो के बारे में बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो व्हाट इज इंडिया विक्स? NSE calculate the India VIX based on the order of the Nifty options. So India VIX indicates the investor perception of the market volatility in the near term. Okay, so higher the VIX, higher the volatility, and lower the VIX, lower the volatility. Okay, so when the market are highly volatile, market tends to move steeply or sharply, and during such a market or such a time, volatility index rises. Okay, so volatility index declines when the market becomes less volatile. So volatility index nothing but it's a fear index. Okay, so because the volatility index rises, one should become careful as the market can move in any direction steeply. So if you want to write an option, so when to write? When the volatility is high. It is dangerous if we write an option and volatility start increasing, because we will not get a theta decay. Okay, we have already discussed. Okay, so theta decay will be eaten by volatility. So when higher volatility, then you can write an options. Okay, when you have already write an options and volatility increasing, okay, so when the VIX value greater than 30, you can out of the options writing. So when the VIX value is less than 20, it is a stable. VIX value greater than 30, it is uncertain, or we have a risk and fear. So normally different setups are used for options writing. So when we have a low IV, we can go for spread. Okay, we are not going to do a next selling, and even though don't go for strangle. So when we have a moderate IV, we can go for straggle, and when we have a high IV, we can go for directional straggle. Okay, or try to look for the net selling strictly into intraday. We cannot go for positionally as a high index, so we can go for net selling, okay, in a intraday. So if you want to see, I have opened the concept app. In concept app, just go for India VIX, and where you can see the volatility chart. Okay, so you can see even the VIX value on a different day. Okay, so it is a good concept web page or application where you can find out the different chart and different value. Okay, so second is max pain. So max pain is a point where the options buyer lose the maximum money, or option seller will lose less money. So normally you can use mainly on expiry or before the few days of expiry, and it is helpful for writing a call or put which has a maximum chance to lose its maximum value on a day of expiry. Okay, so we are not going to go for in details how the calculation done of max pain. So max pain के लिए आप ये यूज कर सकते हो जीरोडा वेरासिटी पे। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मैक्स पेन एंड पीसीआर रेशियो, तो आप वो फाइंड कर सकते हो स्टेप कैलकुलेशन. ओके, or you can just understand what is it's nothing but just overall calculation of open interest, where all the open interest will lose the money. Yeah, so that calculation is here given on a web page, but directly in concept you can see here, we have an option pain tab where you can see the pain level. Okay, even you can understand this graph. There is a pain level of put writer, pain level of call writer. This is the yellow line is a profit. Okay, you can watch how to use video here available. Okay, so this is just the max pain where the expiry will today, that is a 3rd November 2020. Okay, and on a 5th November we have expiry. So let's see, right now pain level is 750 and Nifty is trading around 11,810. so let's see what happened in next 2 days. And last is put call ratio. So it will help you investor to identify the sentiment before the market turns. Okay, so it can be useful to identify extreme bullishness or bearishness in the market. Okay, and you can identify mainly reversal with the help of PCR. Okay, alone PCR it is not good to use, but based on PCR we can identify extreme bearishness, okay, and when it can be turned into bullish, or you can identify bullishness, extreme bullishness, and it can be reversed into bearish. So it is just nothing but what is a PCR, that is a put call ratio. It is a calculating by dividing total open interest of put by total open interest of call. Okay, so for example, just see open interest of put divided by open interest of call. So find out all the strikes, calculate call option, total call option, find out all the put option strike, calculate put option OI. So put option OI divided by call OI, that will give you the PCR. Okay, so this PCR can help you to identify bearishness or bullishness or reversal, we can say. So normally when the PCR is value is too high, means 1.5, assume 1.5 means there are more put writer, then it may be 1.5, so put Y. Okay, so it might be possible that more puts already brought compared to call, and this suggests that it is extremely bearish. Now there may be a reversal and market can go up. Okay, so when we have one value PCR1 and it is increasing 1.5, then market can go down, but when it's above the 1.5 means already put writer there more compared to call, and it might be possible now market can go up. Same way the PCR is too low, means assume the right now it is 1, and it is assume it is right now 0.5, means already more calls are there compared to puts. That indicates that market is already extremely bullish, and now it may be possible that it can be bearish. Okay, so if assume it is a PCR is 1 and it is decreasing, means already more calls are brought, means market is going up. Okay, now when PCR is less than 0.6 or around 0.5, there is a chance that it can be come down, okay, for profit booking, or you can say it is over bought. So now there is a profit booking and it can be go down. So you can identify PCR, okay, with pattern, or with other parameter. Okay, alone PCR please don't use. So normally if you want to use PCR alone, then you can find support resistance of with the help of individual strike price. Okay, so if any PCR of a particular strike below the 0.6, then it will be act as a resistance. Same way, if the PCR of any particular strike price above 1.7, okay, that strike price will act as a support. Or another way I can say, if stock is trending up and more call writing than here, means it will be act as a resistance here. Same way, stock is going down and PCR of particular strike price is increasing, then it will be act as a support. Okay, so already we have discussed earlier that EQSSS provide good facility here, and we have already made a video that trading at trending at support and resist. Okay, so here the concept that we are going to use that is relevant to your PCR. Okay, even that EQSSS one functionality NSE max pain analysis. Okay, so trading above max pain or trading below max pain, so all are it's a good website to explore. So many functionalities are there, just try to understand and find out the important point relevant to you. Okay, so that's all about your PCR, max pain and India Wix. जैसा डिस्क्लेमर, आप हमें ट्विटर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो @charttraders। आप हमें मेल भी सेंड कर सकते हो chart.traders80@gmail.com। अगर आपको जीरोधा, अपस्टॉक या फिर अलाइज ब्लू में अकाउंट ओपन करना हो तो लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में रख दी है। इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड शेयर विथ अदर्स। थैंक यू।